You look at their talks. What we've got with Facebook and YouTube and all these other things, you're seeing another piece of the person, another side, and it's just really easy. Yeah, I know about Google Scholar, fine, but it is easier to find out more about the person. So our experience has been, again, research center, think like a university. We do look at everything we can find about the person, of course. In fact, as a side comment, we had our first child and we wanted to name him, we wanted to make sure that the name didn't spell something funny and all that with initials. And we were so proud, we went to work and said, my wife is a geek as well, hey guys, my department, we named him Blake, ain't that cool? Nobody had heard that name before, hadn't heard it used in a while, great. And then one geek in the back. He said, oh cool, Blake Palmer is a porn star in the UK. So you gotta do this. As we've said, you have to look at these backgrounds, you have to learn about people, and quite frankly, when we find that Michael Steiner was a glider enthusiast in Switzerland, that was a good thing. He actually has a normal hobby. It's the people that we really look at hard when they don't have any external presence other than papers. Because it used to be the world of the geek, the pure heads down. Well, no. Computer security, privacy, networking, this is a multidisciplinary problem. We want people a little closer to normal, so to speak. So we do look at these things, and if we find something missing, we look a little funny at them. The other thing we've run into, though, is after we hire these folks, some of them fess up and say, oh, well, you didn't find out about Dr. Death, did you? No. Is that a friend of yours? Oh, no, that's me. And sure enough, we hire these folks, and Facebook doesn't care. You can call yourself whatever you want as long as nobody else has. Well, they'd made up pseudonyms to do their more interesting stuff. But they fess up. They just say, oh, yeah, well, that's me. No big deal. Nobody's ever been fired because they, were running some kind of weird website or whatever. And a couple of times we were pleasantly surprised when we found what they were doing in the off hours. So we're really kind of doing it already as far as the research papers, and as far as hiring people nowadays, you got to do it. And in our case, it's been quite profitable, quite revealing. I can't say that for the rest of IBM because I've never worked in the rest of IBM. I suspect if they see somebody doing strange things, they might react a little differently. But as far as the research guys go, and in our world, that's expected.
If I could follow up just a bit and ask a question to Mark and Charles. I was wondering if